Okay, for this one, we have a car. Okay, not my best car, but here we go. Okay. And they gave us some forces here. So they gave us a normal force of 10,000. And they gave us a force of gravity of 10,000. That makes sense. Those should always be the same. Okay. And we have friction going backwards, 9,000 newtons. And they want us to find the mass, the acceleration, and the net force. Okay. So what can we do? Well, let's keep in mind that for one, they told us Fg. Remember, Fg is equal to mg, mass times gravity. And remember that g is 9.8 on Earth. Okay, so that means that Fg is 10,000. Put that there. We have our m is what we're looking for, and g is 9.8. So you can find that just by dividing. So that makes our mass 1020, and we always measure in kilograms. Okay, so 1020 kilograms. All right, so now we got to think a little bit. Remember that this symbol here means net force, or the total force, okay? Well, some forces up here are going to cancel out. Gravity and the normal force are the same amount, so they're going to cancel. That leaves the only force left, which is actually that force of friction, which is 9,000. So the total force left is 9,000 newtons. Now we have to go find the acceleration. The only equation where acceleration shows up with force is net force equals m times a. That can also be written as F net equals ma. So we have 9,000 equals, we found our mass, 1020. That was up here. And we're looking for our acceleration. That makes our acceleration 8.8 meters per second per second. Hope that helps.